This video is for educational purposes only.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Found the Job. Today we're talking about Flipkart SCOA, which stands for Supply Chain Operations Academy. It's a free program where Flipkart trains students both online and offline, teaches them the basics of supply chain management, gives a monthly stipend, an industry recognized certificate, and even offers a chance to work directly with Flipkart. If you've passed 12th grade and have a smartphone with internet, you're eligible. Right now, there are 4 active programs you can apply for. 1 warehouse training program for general youth. 2 SCOA PWD program for persons with disabilities. 3 supply chain career at COE lab. COE means Center of Excellence, where the latest industry tools and innovations are introduced. 4 data entry operator training program. Each course lasts roughly 53 to 54 days. Stipend isn't officially mentioned, but you can expect around 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, depending on your location and batch. Now, coming how to register. Go to the official Flipkart SCOA website. The link is in the description below. 2. On the home page, you'll see 4 registration tabs, one for each program. Click on the one that matches your interest. 3. Fill in your basic details. If you face any confusion or issues, scroll to the bottom of their homepage and click Contact Us. So if this sounds like a good fit for you, go ahead, apply now. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on free courses, job programs, and career growth tips.